Hi, and welcome to the installation video for the GIS embroidery software. With GIS, it is run by a USB security key that does need to be attached to the computer. But the first thing is when you do get the GIS embroidery software, you will receive the installation disk as well as the security key. With the installation of the software, that's the first thing that we need to do when setting it up. We can also download it from the GIS website. If you do want to do that, you can certainly do that if you don't have a CD drive. So with the installation, you need to make sure that you do not have the security key plugged into the computer. And one thing about the security key is that it does have a tag connected to it that does have the serial number if you ever do need that for communication about the key or anything like that. But first things first is that we will install the software, and I did download it from the website and put it into a folder, but if you do have the CD, go ahead and pop that in, and you may need to open it and double click on the setup file. So I'm just going to double click on the setup file, and what it's going to do is that it does give me a warning about making changes, and I just say yes, I want to continue. And after continuing, it's going to start the installation. With the installation, you can see it'll ask me what destination directory do I want. I'm going to leave it as is, leave it at default, and press next. You do have the option of what languages you would like to install. For me, I'm just going to do English, also with the help in English and the Magister, which is also like a tutorial. So I'll go ahead and hit next. And then I hit install. When I install, it's going to go through the motions and it's going to give me how long it's going to take. You can see that it's going through and doing everything for me. Now, as it finishes, it will tell me that it is installed successfully. And I'll just go ahead and hit the finish button. And then it asks me that to restart my computer. I'll just go ahead and hit OK to restart the computer, and it will automatically restart my computer. So after I've restarted my computer, you can now see that I have two icons on my desktop. One is the GIS BasePac shortcut, and one is the GIS Quick Text shortcut. The next thing that I do want to do is go ahead and plug in my USB security key. So I go ahead and plug it into one of the USB ports on my computer, and it may come up that it sees it as a as a drive, but we're just going to ignore this and close this out. So after I have that plugged in, if I do need to install the driver again, or if I'm having problems with the driver, I can go onto their website. But just to show you, I'm just going to go ahead and double click on the GIS BasePac shortcut. And when I do so, it will go ahead and come up, and it will ask me for the codes for my options. If I don't have my codes yet and I have a demo key that I've gotten in my email, I do want to go ahead and cancel this out. I'll cancel that, and if you did receive a code in your email, you will want to go ahead and save that code to your computer. The code will be the name of, or the serial number, which mine is 21267, and then it's GIS CM update. That's the file extension. So from your email, you do want to save this into your computer. I have saved it on my desktop, and all I need to do in order to activate it is just double click on it. So if I left double click, it will go ahead and ask me, do I want to make changes? I'll say yes. And then it'll say that it is successfully programmed, and now it's in demo mode. I go ahead and close that out. Once it's been successfully programmed, I no longer need this code. I can actually put that in my recycle bin. So now when I start up GIS BasePac, I can start using the program with this quick start buttons. So that's how we do install the program along with the security code, or for the demo. If you do have the codes for your program, you can input them when that activate options does start. If I do need to go to the GIS website, I'm just going to go ahead and show you where that is. So right now I am on Internet Explorer and I want to type in www.gis-net.de. This takes me to the GIS website. I want to click on the British flag here, and I will click on embroidery software. And when I click on embroidery software, I will go to service. And in the service, I have the ability to download the updates, but here is where I can actually download all the updates or download the full version. And here is the driver file updates should I need any additional assistance. So again, it's gis-net.de, and then you can get into the software information here. So thanks for watching, and if you do have any questions, please visit our website at www.zskmachines.com, or you can call us at 877-724-6400. Thank you.